Alright, what's good? So today I'm gonna be showing y'all how to sound like Summrs. So yeah, I lost FLP to the song, but I still have the preset, so links in the description if you want it. But I'll play this song and show y'all basically how it sounds.
Remember the times that we had, yeah. Baby girl, I don't wanna make you sad. Baby girl, I don't wanna make you mad. And I hope you're not glad I gave what I had. I just wanna play tag, I just wanna play tag. That's all that I ask, that's all that I ask. Bag, you know I'm in my bag, you know I'm in my bag. I get all these hoes.
But once you get the preset, it'll come with auto-tune EVO, it'll come with fruity flangus, it'll come with fruity compressor, fruity limiter, fruity paramedic EQ2, sound organizer. It'll come with fruity delay bang, fruity reverb 2, fruity paramedic EQ